In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a brand new Argentina Vbucks method, because as you know, old method is down right now because of Xbox issues. So all instructions are in our Discord server. Firstly, go to this website, open Browser Inspector, go to the Network tab and click on Add to Cart. In the inspector you have to find Load Cart thing and wait till it loads. Then copy it as a fetch and open in a new tab. Here, open Browser Inspector again and go to the Console tab and paste the previously copied fetch code here and change these three things to Argentinian ones. Then change these two ID things to any Vbucks code you want. All codes you can find in our Discord. Then don't forget to change SKUID to Oro 10 and press Enter. Go back to the first page and in the link change TRTR to the ESAR, then go to the cart and as you can see, you here 1100 Vbucks appeared and ready to buy. Of course, you need Argentina bank account for that. If you don't have it, we sells banks and Vbucks in our Discord server for fair price. Link in the description.